My time at Seattle University has given me the confidence that I need to be whatever type of lawyer I aspire to be. Seattle University does a really great job between supporting you, but also putting you in a competitive environment that would really push you to do your best.
I immediately transitioned from the military to law school, and in doing so was probably one of the best things I've ever done. As soon as you come through the doors, it's a warm and inviting place. The most inspiring thing about Seattle University is definitely the people.
Students are from all over the world, people who speak different languages, people who have different experiences. You get to learn a lot from their input and their contributions in the classroom. Everybody wants to see you succeed, including your classmates.
One of the best things about Seattle University is the practical hands-on aspect of what we do, a range of clinics, and the legal writing program here. At the very end of your first year, you are contributing to an active case.
The professors are phenomenal that you're learning from. They have a lot of outside experience to add. They're very accessible.
Part of the transformation we are trying to engage in here is trying to get students to think like lawyers, to advocate like lawyers, to think about things from different angles, and to learn how to argue from different perspectives. One of the things that we do emphasize here is social justice. We're teaching students to think about what their vision of justice might be and how they might serve that as a lawyer when they graduate.
Our students can actually practice law under the supervision of licensed faculty. So our students graduate ready to excel in the practice of law.
I can't imagine a more exciting place to build a career today than Seattle. All of the alumni and the positions they hold in this city, it is the key to the city.
If you are passionate about social justice and you're wanting to go out there and change the world, to change your community, Seattle University Law School is the place that you want to be.
If you're considering Seattle University, I would wholeheartedly say, go for it.